I think everyone needs at least one razor blade scraper, as these are amazing at cleaning. I actually got this specifically for cleaning my oven, which really needs it, but you can use these to take anything off windows or any hard surfaces. You can also use them for scraping up paint or anything else where you need something strong that can scrape at the surface. Let me show you what you get here. To start off with, you get 30 metal razor blades and 30 plastic scrapers. That is an incredible amount of blades, and each one has a protective cover, so they're not going to hurt you as long as you keep that on. Super solid blade, quite strong, and thanks to having so many, there's no worry that when this one goes dull, you just are going to switch it out. The plastic blades are also great, and these are really great on surfaces that you're worried about damaging, as these are going to be much kinder to your surfaces. And as you can see, you can flip this one around, both sides work, and again, once it gets dull, switch it out. Now you get 3 scrapers, 2 small ones, and 1 long one. Now these do require some assembly, and they come with all the pieces you need. Now the scraper itself has this nice rubbery material, and it feels really good in my hand. I love the way it's designed. And when you take these off, it does actually start with blades in it, but don't start scraping with it like this, as it needs the bolts in. That's what will prevent these from popping out. As you can see, the whole top just will come off. So you want to get that blade in there, put on the top, and then put in the bolt. Let me add those in. Really easy to add them in. I love that this is designed just for the bolt shape, as long as you pop that in there, you can just twist it over, hold it with your finger, and put in the screw. And there you go, it is ready to go. Now this one's a little different. I can definitely feel that the metal is going all the way through it, or at least most of the way through it. It is extremely sturdy. I can't bend it at all. This metal is super strong. It also has the nice rubbery feel in the handle. Feels really good to hold on to. And then to put this one together, you just want to put your razor between those little notches there, and then add on the metal cover. Now this one has a slightly different bolt. It looks a little smaller, and you just need to twist it in the top. Twist it as tight as you need to go. And once it's tight, you are good to go. That's all this one needs. Razor's not going anywhere. And my first project with these is cleaning out my very dirty oven. I used Easy Off and these razors, and it made super quick work of it. I am so glad I got these. I definitely recommend these for all of your scraping projects, whether it's just stickers or paint or residue. They're gonna scrape it all off.